Hey Siri,
Uh-huh.
what's today's date?
It's Friday, April 15th, 2022.
Thank you. What's up, Glitter Jewels? Welcome to my channel where we find a way to sparkle and shine. So basically, as you can see, I have all of this space. So I was like, ding, ding, ding. I'm gonna make a home office. So come on for the ride. I always put painter's tape before I put LEDs because I had a really bad experience, whereas in the last place I lived, I put the LED straight on the wall, and we were the first ones to ever live there because it was a brand new unit. And when I went to go take those LEDs off, it literally stripped the paint. Like, so when I lifted the LEDs, the whole strip. So it was like a line going around the wall, and then I had to try to sand that down and repaint it. All right, y'all, let's try it out. Power, and let's see. That's like dark bluish purple. Can I get pink? Let's see, point it down that way. Come on, pink. Come on, pink. Uh-oh. I don't know how to work this. I might have to wait till 7 get home. That's my technology coordinator. So as you can see, there is just one little teeny weeny problem. We are completely out of lights and I still have more space to fill. So what I did was I ran the painter's tape all the way down the other edge. And since there is a socket on that wall, I'm gonna just run it up after I get some more lights. So I'll definitely have to put that on my list to go back out to get more lights. But you know, it is what it is. Oh my goodness, y'all, it's so rainy, y'all. I just hauled behind to this car, for real, look. But I'm gonna head out now and try to get the LEDs because basically I'm gonna be in the house all day because they're supposed to deliver the bookcase and the room divider and my desk sometime this morning before 2, and then a separate group of guys from IKEA are coming. Actually, it's like an outsourced company. They're coming to put together everything. So I'm gonna be home all day. I just tried to call customer service to find out what time they're coming, and they straight told me nothing because they're not even open until 9. So that means if I hurry up, I could be back before 10 because I'm figuring if they're coming all the way from where they're coming from, it's gonna take them at least 40 minutes to get out this way. So I'm gonna hustle to the store and try to get these LEDs right quick. All right, so my other LEDs are officially up and I did make it back in time, just in time for the delivery guy. And here are all of the items. In the boxes are my desk, my room divider, and a storage unit. Yeah, so I just gotta wait for the other guy to come to put everything together. So I'm probably gonna go out and about and I'll see y'all in a little while. Sitting on the couch about to check where my chair, like where it is, because I knew it was being delivered separately. And just as I went downstairs to close the door from the other delivery guy, lo and behold, FedEx pulls up. So now I got my chair. You could tell that it's going to be pink. Kind of heavy. That's not even the way they got it in the box. I think I'm gonna have to cut it. Let me see. Oh, that is so pretty. Then I got the blue on the walls. Ugh. Look like my brand colors to me. All right, so this doesn't look that hard to put it together. It's only 5 steps. But look, it's a number 7 on there. This is a project for later. I gotta head out, but easy peasy. All right, so the guy who put together the furniture is just wrapping up. I don't want to show you the whole office because I'm going to give y'all like a little office tour, but here it is so far. Okay, so as you can see, my room divider is completely put together. The chest / storage space is together, and also my desk is together. So now I'm going to just put the little storage bins inside the little cubby holes, so that way the room divider can serve its purpose and divide the room without being able to see to the other side. Just like that. Let's see. Since all the furniture is together, now I'm going to start on the little projects that I have. Like next I'm going to make these flowers in these little vases. I actually was at Michael's today and I came across these jars. They were on sale for $2.50, which was way cheaper than buying the actual bottom, like the base that you would put a flower in. The flower pots were like $5 to $10, and I was like, no. So this is an option. I'm gonna just take these flowers, and I desperately needed some pink on this side of the room because my brand colors are blue, pink with a hint of purple. So I'm going to just put these in each vase. So they're very, very long. I could cut them, but I tried this out in the store. I'm just gonna bend them like this. And I'm gonna bend it again. Bend it up and then bend it back down. And then stick it in the vase. Voila. Now, it's very important for me for the white to be on this side and for the pink to be on this side, simply because, again, this room is divided in half. So there is another side where everyone can see the other side of the room, and I want the pink on this side. All right, let's do it again. One pink, 2 whites. Now, they did have these flowers as a set already put together in the vase, but they wanted them for $25 a pop. So this was a cheaper, more affordable, if you just do it yourself method, because I actually saved like, I don't know, I want to say about $40 doing it this way. You know, it just take a little muscle because you got to bend the flowers, but the stems are wired stems, so. Okay, here we go. Now fit it inside of the vase. Push, push, push. There we go. And again, I need right on this side. Uh-oh, I pushed it down too far. And the pink to be on this side. And one more time. Then we'll be done. I also have 2 banners. I haven't decided which one I'm gonna hang on my wall right above my desk, but I'll have to make a decision real quick. As you can see, we have a little bit of a problem. This little project required me to spell the word shine, but I accidentally got 2 H's. So we are not shining. Instead, it is welcome to my channel where we sparkle and shine. Oh no. So we are now on project number 2229. And for this project, I have to do something about the edge of this desk, because if I don't have this desk flush up against the wall, you're going to be able to see the exposed wood on this side. So at first I was gonna do this glittery ribbon, like cut and just put it along and hot glue it down. But look how thin it is. So instead I'm gonna use this glittery paper, and I just measured the desk, and I'm gonna cut along these lines and put it on. And this is like glittery cardstock, so it's thick.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
Okay, I'm gonna show you the night view first, how it looks at night. And now I'll break down each wall for you. So on this wall, I have my banner, Glitter the Entertainer, brought to you by Up Entertainment LLC, in the building, just like I promised. And then I have my 2 frames of my very first 2 YouTube videos. This one is How to Be a Woman. This video was made for men. And then my first video for females was, is he too short? Come on, sis, is he too short? Let me know, let me know. I have a huge glittery like art design. Some letters that say shine. I couldn't fit sparkle and shine, so I picked shine because anybody could shine. You know, most guys don't want to sparkle, but anybody can shine at whatever they do. So that's why I picked shine over sparkle, because I could only fit one. And then if you look very, very closely, my queen crown, this is the only thing in my office that's from my live stream. This was my original crown I had on my wall when I got my first Millie. Then right next to my shine word art, I have my flat screen and my storage chest. The reason why I have a flat screen in here is because a lot of times with actors and actresses, the best way we learn to do better or to do more or to do less is by watching ourselves. So while I'm writing a script for a new video, which all my scripts are in my drawer, I'll show you them later. A lot of times I like to look at previous videos to just see what I could do better. Now for now, these bins are empty, but I did find a few things that we could sell. First off, we're selling a bucket of love. We're selling a bucket of peace. We are also selling joy. And of course, we are selling sparkle and shine. As usual, the flowers, you saw me making them on camera earlier. I got the little soft flower pot thingy, like the little blue part. I got that from Target. And then the actual flowers I got from Michael's. And the flowers are actually sitting in a glass jar, and I got that from Michael's too. Michael's is like a arts and crafts store. You might have like Hobby Lobby instead if you don't have a Michael's. The glittery cardstock paper that's on my desk and on my chest drawers, I also got that from Michael's, and they also had a good sale too, and teacher discount. Inside of my desk is a really huge long drawer, and this is basically where I keep my scripts. This is actually the script for the video that just came out yesterday about spring break and the craziest flight. And then this script is actually the video that I just sent to the editor. This is my 2,500 subscriber celebration video script. So, yep, my scripts are in here. And as you can see, I have plenty of more storage in here as well. That's actually a blackout curtain because as you can see when I step back, it's right by my window, my living room window. So that curtain literally goes all the way up, all the way to the ground. And then my second set of curtains are here. Now I purposely got them to be sheer. Both sets of rods I got from Target. Both panels, sets, the blackout and the sheer, I got from Target as well. Actually, you know what? I did not. I got the sheer panels from Bed Bath & Beyond. They had a better deal. So originally I had all blackouts, and then I returned some of them because they had like 2-for-1 deal at Bed Bath & Body. So I know some people are dying to know how the room looks from the other side of the divided area. So I'm gonna show you that right quick. This is actually the far opposite wall, which is my dining area into my kitchen. But here is how it looks from this side. And you can't even see my desk. You can't see my flat screen. You can't see any of that. And then you have the sheer curtain by my TV. And then that's it. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. You're thinking, well, Glitter, what are you going to sell? What is Glittered Up Entertainment going to be about? Well, I'm not quite ready to reveal that to you yet. Just know that before I sell any products or merch, I'm going to utilize the gifts that are within me first. So, as you know, I have a theater background. I've done acting, I've done modeling, I've directed, I've choreographed, I have characters, I switch voices. So, as a hint, I ordered a special mic and it should be here any minute today. I just got the email this morning. So that's about the only hint you're gonna get out of Miss Glitter right now. But believe me, once everything is up and running, you will definitely be one of the first to know. Well, my time is up. I've got to go. But before I do, a big shout out to all of my subscribers, both old and new Glitter Jewels. Till next time. Bye.